Good afternoon to all of you. Today I have been given a topic and my topic is importance of yoga in our life. As we all know that yoga is very important for our life. If we want to live healthy, then we must do yoga. Yoga is very important for all of us for our life because yoga helps us to live develop our mental and physical power, and it helps us to develop our thinking power. If we do yoga, then it helps us to think positive, and I think that positive thinking is very important and very necessary for all of us. If we think positive, then we can do each and every type of work with patience. And if we do yoga, then we live healthy, we never fall ill. And if we do yoga, then we don't have to fight with any type of disease. And if we do yoga, then we are always healthy and happy. If we Yoga is very important and necessary for our health because it helps us to keep our body and mind connect. And yoga is very important for all of us because if we do yoga daily, then it helps us to increase our thinking power. It is not means we should do yoga daily. If we do 1 or 2 times, then it is not so that we will live so healthy and happy. But if we do yoga daily, then our living style, then our personality can change. As we can boost our knowledge while reading daily. If we read 1 or 2 days, then we can't boost our knowledge. So in the same way, if we do yoga 1 or 2 days, then we can't live healthy. And if we do yoga always daily, then we can live happy, we can live healthy, and we can live fit, and we can never fall ill. So yoga is very important for our life and health. Thank you.
Well spoken.